Google wants us to come to the top. This means that Google is trying to make sure that all of its users get the best search results when they type in a search term. Search engines rank websites according to different factors such as the number of backlinks that it gets, the quality of the content that is posted on the website, and the amount of time that the website stays online. So today we will discuss in details about on-page SEO. Before starting today's video, we would like to inform you that if you have not subscribed to our channel yet, please like the video and subscribe our channel. So let's start. We will learn about on-page SEO today. Some techniques should be followed to rank a website through on-page SEO. Then let's not know. Title tag. It's very important to think about how you want to present the information on your website. You can always improve it later. When you write your title tag, don't just write the title of the page. Write a description, too. Your title tag should be different than what you write in the text of your content. It should be short and catchy. Think of it as your page's slogan. A good one is often a combination of two words. If you are not sure about how to make your title tag better, you can always take ideas from different types of tools, like SEMrush, Bsocialtoday, and Ahrefs. Meta description. A meta description is a summary that describes your website's content. It should be written in such a way that it attracts your target audience and makes them want to read your web page. Your meta description should be unique because you want it to be an easy way to get your potential customers to read your pages. You can use words like free, great deals, discounts, buy now, and other similar ones. Your title should contain the same keywords used in the web page's URL. If you think about it, a visitor would like to know the answer to the question, what does it all mean? In order to do this, a meta description must also include the answer to this question. Header tag. The web design function of creating page titles and subheads using header tags is formatting. Using H1 H6 tags makes an H5 tag appear visually more significant than an H6 tag, an H4 tag more significant than an H5 tag, and so forth. Google has said that you can use as many H1 tags as you want. Of course, a number of SEO experts recommend using H1 only for the title. Because the H1 tag is the only one that is directly above your main content and has more emphasis, it is the most important heading. No other section of a blog post is at the same structural level as the H1, so the H1 should be used here. If the title has a lot of text and your blog posts are long, it can become difficult to fit the title inside the page. So, it is best to make the H1 as large as possible. URL structure. Most websites use keywords in their URLs. When you enter a URL, it will be like you are typing the word that you want to find. For example, if you want to find the site about cats, then you can enter cats in the URL box. When you search online, you will see a list of websites that contain that word in their URL. This is how you can get to websites with that word in their URL. But this doesn't always mean that the website has good SEO. If you are looking for websites that are optimized for search engines, you can enter SEO in the URL box. This will show you all websites that have that word in their URL. They might have the right words, but they might not have them optimized. Image alt text. If you use a picture on your website, you should add the words alt text to it. You should make sure that this information is well written. It is very important for a webmaster to check their website for errors. Some web browsers will not display images if there is no alt text present. These browsers will use the text you provide as a substitute. It is better to avoid using pictures on your website since they are harder to read. For example, it is easier to read a paragraph of text than to view a picture of it. It is best to write short and to the point. A good alt text will be informative and will provide more information than a picture. Internal links. Links on your site can be internal or external. Internal links will appear in the content itself. They will be placed in the sidebars and in the footer. External links will appear in the sidebars and in the footer. External links are better than internal links because they make it easier for people to navigate your site. People can link to other pages on your website if you have external links. However, they cannot link to another domain if you only have internal links. Internal links make it possible for users to easily find related content on a website. These links are also helpful when you are creating a website or blogging site. So, today we know about on-page SEO in details. Hope you understand all the points. If any doubts, please comment below. If you think this video is informative, then please press the like button. Let us know in the comments which topic you want to watch next. For next video, please subscribe our channel and press the bell button. Thank you.